Pardon.
Easy there. Who are you? What do you want with me?
Here to help.
Given the circumstances, you'll excuse my suspicion.
Stand down, officer. We're looking for some remnants. We've secured command and need to regroup.
Colonel Whitehill. Can't believe it. Good news at last. I was taken prisoner while scavenging for supplies. I was with a group of other survivors holding out in an old family bunker. They'll have no qualms returning to the oil rig, I'm sure. Here, I'll mark the location on your map. You'll also need this key. Thank you again.
Excellent. Thank you for the information. I'm gonna make my way to the bunker now, Lieutenant. Meet me outside. C'est bon.
T'as vu le dernier qu'on a essayé de choper? Celui qui avait toutes les grenades.
Non, je faisais ma ronde. Raconte.
Bah, Becca l'a attiré jusqu'à l'entrée du magasin, et au début on croyait que ça allait être peinard. Et il a dû flipper d'un coup, parce qu'il s'est mis à balancer des grenades dans tous les sens.
Hein? Et vous avez fait quoi?
Tu vas halluciner. En fait, c'était même pas des grenades, c'était juste des cailloux. Il faisait les bruitages avec sa bouche, les goupilles, les explosions, tout le bordel.
Oh, le con, j'y crois pas.
Et vous l'avez buté? Non, on est resté plantés là comme des cons. On n'y croyait pas. Il a balancé une demi-douzaine de cailloux dans le fond du magasin, et après il s'est mis à reculer vers la porte en faisant des bruits de mitraillette. Quand il est sorti, il a fait comme s'il enfourchait une bécane. Évidemment, elle a pas démarré tout de suite. Hein. Puis il est parti vers l'autoroute plein gaz, en faisant des bruits de changement de vitesse et tout.
N'importe quoi. Comment un mec comme ça peut arriver à survivre?
J'aimerais bien le savoir. Il y a de ces barjots.
De quoi?
Putain, pourvu que ce soit pas encore des ghouls. C'est rien. Quoi? Ça devrait pas être long. Ouais. T'as pas le droit de crever. Parfait.
Qui?
C'est quoi? Qui est là?
On va devoir recharger un jour, sûr.
Parfait. Ça y est.
Et Frankie Carl, voilà. En fait, je crois que c'était plutôt Marjorie Hooks qui chante.
faire ça, vous me connaissez, non?
Je te laisserai pas nous dénoncer à l'Institut.
Tu vas le faire, oui ou non?
S'il vous plaît, on peut trouver une solution.
Je te laisserai pas nous dénoncer à l'Institut. Restez où vous êtes. Ça vous concerne pas.
Je vous en supplie, aidez-moi. Ils vont me tuer.
Ta gueule.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe ici?
Cette chose est un synthétique. Voilà ce qui se passe. Ça fait des semaines qu'on voyage avec lui sans se douter de rien. Mais voilà qu'aujourd'hui, il nous lâche que c'est un larbin de l'Institut. Il se fout de nous depuis le début.
C'est parce que je croyais qu'on était amis.
Je serai jamais ami avec un putain de synthétique.
Pourtant, ça te posait aucun problème. Avant que je te dise ce que je suis vraiment. Je t'en supplie, laisse-moi partir.
Tu me prends pour un con? Tu vas rentrer au bercail et revenir avec tes petits copains de l'Institut pour nous faire la peau. Tu mourras pas comme ça, mon pote.
Je n'ai rien à voir avec l'Institut. Je me suis enfui. Tout ce que je veux, c'est aller à Bunker Hill. Je te promets que tu me reverras plus jamais après ça. S'il vous plaît. Vous me croyez, vous, non? Vous pouvez pas le laisser faire ça.
You don't need to be afraid of the Institute. You let him go, or I'll kill you both myself.
Merde. Vous rigolez pas. D'accord. Mais si je te revois, je te mets une balle entre les deux yeux.
Mon Dieu, merci. Merci infiniment.
Allez, dégage! Je veux plus te voir.
J'espère que ça ne nous retombera pas sur la gueule.
Merci. Merci beaucoup.
Ma'am.
I've got the key. Let's head inside.
Colonel.
Stanley? Aren't you a sight for sore eyes?
Didn't think I'd see you anytime soon. What have you been up to all this time?
A lot. I'll fill you in on the details later, but suffice to say that with the help of the lieutenant, we've managed to secure the oil rig. Now I'm trying to track down survivors and bring them back.
The oil rig? That thing still floating?
Just about. Your expertise is sorely needed, though.
You hear that, guys? We've actually got orders. Pack your things.
Thank you, Stanley. I'll have a vertibird ready to collect you. Lieutenant, let's rendezvous at the oil rig.
We're the only ones that can save our country.
General Ward, this is Chief Engineer Myers. He was stationed here before the evacuation. The lieutenant and I found him amongst other survivors.
Pleasure to meet you, General.
And you, Miles. As you can see, there's a lot of work to be done here.
I can see that. Say, General, I've got to ask. Whitehill said you came from a vault. Are there any others?
There were meant to be. But due to Vault-Tech's gross incompetence, only 4 of us made it out. Until the long-range transmitter is operational and I contact High Command, we're limited on manpower. Brings me to your first order. I need you to repair that transmitter.
Oh, well, sure. I can do that, sir. But do you not know? Raven Rock.
Colonel Whitehill told me. A great loss, yes. But there are multiple fallback locations I can still attempt to make contact with.
All right, give me a day, and I'll have it in tip-top shape for you.
We're counting on you, Stanley.
Ma'am.
Thank you for the help. I wasn't expecting to run into Stanley, but I'm glad we did.
So, what's the deal with you two anyway?
He's been maintaining the oil rig since before I was stationed here. With him back, our chances at rebuilding just got a lot better.
What now?
I don't have any further orders for you right now. I'm interested in seeing what happens when Myers repairs the transmitter. I recommend joining us in the communications room tomorrow, and seeing if General Ward has any success contacting anyone. Until then, you're dismissed, Lieutenant.
All done, General. If there really is anyone else out there, you'll be able to reach them.
We'll see. (117.89) High Command, do you copy? (122.37) High Command, do you copy? Damn it. 125.11 High Command, do you copy?
This is High Command. Confirm your identity. State how you got this frequency.
Incredible.
I don't believe it.
General Russell Ward, Department of the Army. I'm in process of reactivating the Atlantic oil rig, and I must speak to the Joint Chiefs of Staff.
I do not have a General Russell Ward as an active officer.
Conduct a cross-reference with Enclave personnel transferred to Vault 111 in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts.
Please stand by.
I think the General's getting somewhere.
I have confirmed your identity, General Ward. Stand by while I transfer you.
So, what's the aim here?
Having contact with High Command means we can put through equipment and personnel requisitions. Assuming they've started caring about the oil rig again?
With their support, we'll be able to restore the oil rig to its full potential and return to our primary goal.
General Ward, the Chiefs of Staff are currently indisposed, but I wanted to make your acquaintance. I'm the Senator of the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, Senator Matthews. Allow me to congratulate you on your resuscitation. I'm told you're reactivating the Atlantic oil rig. Tell me, did Dr. Kane make it out of the vault with you?
She did, Senator. Regarding the oil rig, I'm requesting reinforcements. They're urgently needed to properly repair and staff the facility.
All in due time, General. I'll see to it you get what you need. Are there others in the room with you?
Yes, there are.
Then I look forward to making their acquaintance. I have other matters to attend to now. I will be in contact, General. We have much to discuss.
Senator, Chiefs of Staff, you telling me I've gone from living in a hole in the ground to having a functioning government again?
Colonel, you know Senator Matthews?
No, sir. He must have come to office after we evacuated the oil rig.
I see. In any case, our current priority is to ensure the oil rig is safe, structurally and defensively. Myers, coordinate with the other technicians to audit the oil rig's integrity and repair urgent faults you may find. Everyone else, continue to ensure the oil rig's safety. I will let you know when I have further orders. Dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.